Hello everyone and welcome to Crewe Volkswagen. Today I'm going to show you around this lovely SKODA Kodiaq Scout we've currently got for sale, finished in a lovely velvet red metallic paintwork. I think you'd agree it looks absolutely stunning, especially in the sun. So this is a 7-seat SUV and it features the 2-litre TDI diesel engine producing 150 PS, also with the full motion all-wheel drive technology as well to provide fantastic grip in all conditions. Just off at the front you've got the full LED headlights to provide fantastic visibility in any conditions. Fog lights there as well to provide even more light in difficult driving conditions. Just down the side of the car you've got these lovely diamond turned alloy wheels that finish off the exterior perfectly. Got the SPAC Scout badging just on the wing there. And the Crewe mirror caps as well, which are power folding and heated to provide extra convenience for you. You also get privacy guards from the B pillar backwards there. A little bit of sun protection, also the chrome roof rails as well, so you can attach a roof box. Just jumped into the rear of the vehicle. Got the lovely part leather, part Alcantara seats, contrasting white stitching with the Scout logo just on the top of the seats there. Nice fixed points for the outer seats, where there's a centre armrest, some cup holders, keep your rear passengers happy. There's a little bit of storage on the back of the front seats as well for any iPads. Just move around to the rear of the vehicle, you do get front and rear parking sensors stand on this car, make it nice and easy to park up. A huge amount of boot space as well, you've even got electric tailgate which can be operated with the key. As you can see, you've got the 7 seats, the 2 seats at the back, we can fold down flat to provide even more room for boot space. So there's plenty of room for all your luggage there, such as suitcases or any golf clubs. You can also fold down the middle centre as well, to provide even more room. And the parcel shelf nicely hidden away underneath there as well. It's a fantastically practical car. You've also got the one-touch button, down the boot goes as well. Just jump into the front of the car. You've got full electric seats with memory functions. If you're multiple drivers, you don't have to keep moving the seat about, it'll save you position. You've got a centre armrest there, provide a little bit more comfort, especially on those longer journeys. And this lovely wood trim as well, which really uplifts the interior, giving it a nice luxurious feel. And the keyless start there as well. That concludes a 360 walk around. I'm going to jump behind the wheel in a moment. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, make sure you do click the button below for more content. There's plenty more cars to come. Just behind the wheel now, you've got volume controls there. You also got cruise control settings just on the indicator stalk at the top there. On the right hand side of the steering wheel controls all information on this digital display. It's fully customizable depending on what information you want to view. So we've got your different driving data there, such as your range, miles per gallon and much more. Just on the right hand side, you've got your window controls and your mirror controls there as well. So there's your automatic headlight switch. Just moving on to the fantastic touchscreen infotainment system. You've got full digital radios with plenty of storage for all your favourite stations there to keep you entertained on the move. You've got a huge range of options, even FM and AM options available. You've got all the different regions there as well. You get multiple media inputs, got a couple of USB ports dotted in the cabin, CD player, and of course your Bluetooth connectivity to keep you connected with your phone calls and also music streaming. Got satellite navigation as well with spoken instructions for those unfamiliar journeys. You get split screen options as well as points of interest such as petrol stations, restaurants and much more. It's an absolutely fantastic system. Alongside that as well, you also get the brilliant App Connect system as well, which is called Smart Link. This allows you to mirror apps on your smartphone, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. It's a fantastic option, especially if you prefer to use Google Maps over the inbuilt car navigation. You've got your different driving modes, you've got Eco there, and also you've got a sport setting for a more dynamic drive, and an individual setting as well, so you can have a blend of different driving modes. You can have heavier steering with the sport setting, for example. There's also a snow mode, also an individual setting there as well for your all-wheel drive system. Pop the car into reverse, you get the front and rear parking sensors display, you get audible warnings of that for any potential obstacles. And a little bit further down the cabin, you've got your dual zone climate control to keep the driver and front passenger happy at all times. It's nice and easy to use even whilst driving, and the fantastic winter pack as well, giving you heated front seats, which are fantastic, especially during winter. You've also got the optional heated front windscreen as well. Provide extra convenience while defrosting in winter. A little bit of storage in front of the gear stick as well as a USB port there to charge another device. A couple of cup holders just down the centre. Just get a double glove box on this car. So the wood part opens and also the bottom part as well. So plenty of storage there for any valuables you might want to keep out of sight. So it really is a fantastically well equipped car. Thanks very much for watching this video. If you've got any questions on this car or you'd like to book in for a test drive, please give our friendly sales team a call on 01270 864 452. They'll be more than happy to assist further. Don't forget to ask about flexible finance options on this car as well. Once again, thanks very much for watching and take care.